Hey, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a makeup challenge that I've seen done a few times. You probably haven't.
I haven't.
It is the makeup swap, where we will literally just give each other our makeup and we have to use each other's makeup. Yeah. Basically, that's it. But I thought that this would be fun because you and me have such different skin colors. Like, you're very pale, I'm very white, and we have...
I'm pale, you're white? Okay,
I haven't even been drinking. So, you're pale, I'm tan, and, I don't know. We're gonna jump into this and we're gonna have, hopefully, fun doing it. But before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel, click the like button, check us out on social media. We're on
Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Yes. So, all right, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I have all of my makeup, and I'm gonna give it to you.
Thank you. And I have all of my makeup, which I'm handing to you.
Okay. Let's begin with the primer.
Okay, so I'm assuming this is your primer. So she has given me the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown.
And I have the No Pore Blem by, what is it, Touch and Soul?
Yes.
Okay, so for the scary part, we're on the scary part, foundation. So you have given me two.
Yes.
Is it because you use these two?
I use those two, yes, together because Huda Beauty is very long lasting. It's almost 12 to 14 hour wear. And then the Tarte Shape Tape foundation is really hydrating. So those two together kind of really make a good mixture.
Okay.
So, but you gave me two.
I gave you two, but I gave it because I kind of gave you an option because they're like, I'm trying this out and I thought maybe you should try because it's good. It's for drier skin. But, you know, the Luminous Silk is my ride or die, so.
Alright, well, you know what? Since I've used this consistently in the past, maybe I'll try the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir today.
Whoa. So I'm going to mix these. Oh my god. Oh my, it's like white out on my hand.
Oh my lord.
I know. This is so light. And
This
now
has,
I go
like, a
in.
weird scent to it.
Oh my god. Holy crippity crap. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I look like I am dressing up as a vampire for Halloween right now. Oh dear lord.
I mean, mine's kind of thinning out okay, but
yeah, this actually does not look bad.
I still have to put more on because I don't feel like it's full coverage enough for me, so. Right now I do have a little bit of self-tanner.
Oh, you cheated.
I know.
I look fucking ridiculous. We'll move on to the concealer.
Okay.
Is this the J Manual?
Yes. She has given me the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, which I usually use, so this is kind of easy for me.
Yeah, you got the discolor.
Not matching. I think it's oxidizing on my skin.
It is. Yeah, it is. You're turning orange.
Yeah, it's oxidizing on my skin. She gave me the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, which I've not tried. I've actually wanted to try. Ooh, you're in fair.
Yeah, it's because the next one down was like, I don't know, it was really yellow and stuff like that, so whatever. So she gave me the Becca Hydra Mist, which, yes, and then the Laura Mercier. So I'm guessing you set your face and then your under eyes with this.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going into contour and bronzing now. My favorite part because I need to darken up this face. Okay, so you gave me the Too Faced Contour, the Cocoa palette.
Yep.
And
You gave me the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which I'm assuming is all over bronze.
all over bronze.
And then the Bahama Mama.
Since it's more cool toned, I kind of use it as
Contour?
the contour, yeah. getting chiseled, and now I'm going in with the bronzer. All right, let's do blush.
Okay.
So she uses the Too Faced, the Papa Don't Peach. Okay.
It smells real good. And I have the Anastasia blush kit with 4 different colors.
And I usually go in with this color right here. Is this even showing up on my face? We're doing highlight.
Blushes on. Ooh, highlight. Okay.
Alright, so I use the Stila. This is like, I love it. You're ruining it. You're ruining it.
That's really not highlighty at all.
Now, I'm scared for this. Okay, so she uses the Jeffree Star Cosmetics in Ice Cold. Now, this works really good if you have extremely pale skin. But when you have darker skin, it leaves like a white cast. So, alright, we're going in.
Do you see that?
I see it.
Oh. Oh, wait.
Okay, so for eyes, you gave me
That's it.
this.
Yep.
The Too Faced Natural Matte.
And then you gave me more of a variety with the, who would have thought, Jaclyn Hill palette.
So I'm just gonna guess what you do. I spy
With my
little
eye.
a black kitty cat. He ran away.
There's only one thing that I don't like about this palette, and I say it every time I use
There
it.
is not a white.
There's not an all-over lid color.
Yeah, like there's no
There's crease colors, but like the 2 lighter colors up here are shimmery, so they don't work.
yeah, there's not like
all
an
over.
all over cream.
You know, the other day when we were at that softball game, my back was sweating so bad that I could feel the sweat dripping into
Oh,
my
isn't
butt
that the
crack.
worst?
Like into my butt crack.
Back in PA, and the entertainment around our area is this guy that is, and if any of you are watching from our town, you know who it is. This guy, he drank a lot and did some bad things. So I think
he still drinks.
I think
Doesn't-
his mind has gone, and he comes down to his ex-lover's house, which is right by our
And by
parents' house.
ex-lover, it's been ex-lover for
years. And just stands outside her house and just screams obscenities. Obscenities. And I'm telling you what.
Yeah, you tried to throw a big boulder at our car today.
My sister wears eyeliner.
And my sister doesn't.
I don't.
I don't know who the hell
This
doesn't
is-
wear eyeliner. Yes.
So I'm just gonna put some in my waterline and call it a day.
Okay.
Next is what, mascara?
Yes, and I know I'm gonna have nothing in this bag for mascara.
Yes, you will.
What?
Oh my god, how many do you use? Okay.
Yes, I have Voluminous Lash Paradise.
And I have all these products.
So I go in with the tight line,
Line. I remember this.
and then I'll go in with the Laura Geller eyelash primer, and that's really just to kind of thicken the bottoms and spread out the lashes. And then with the Superhero.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. This might be too complicated for me. What do I do? Just go in with this?
Yup. What is this? What takes you the longest to do?
Yes.
Oh my god, they're getting too spidery. I have to admit, my eyelashes look longer, but they are like cake. I don't know.
Look how dumb your lashes look. You look so fucking dumb. Look at me. No, look at me. I mean, I don't think mine look that bad.
Can you see? Can you see how cakey they are? I got shit everywhere.
Mine don't look not bad.
Okay, we are going to do. What are we gonna do?
Eyebrows?
Eyebrows. You use the Ulta Beauty. Ooh, I haven't used this.
Yeah, I like how thin the thing is.
Wow.
And you use the Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Okay. Now, lips.
Yeah.
So, Beth uses the Argan Natural Volume Lip Gloss in Brilliant. And I'm going to use that today. But I made a mistake. And I forgot my lip gloss back in Florida. We were never one for your books and such.
So she said that this Josie Maran lip gloss in the color Happy was comparable to what she uses. And since all I use is Josie Maran lip glosses, this is what I'm going to put on. Because they're so
juicy.
moisturizing too.
It tastes good too.
It tastes like
Tastes just like candy. And now we set our beautiful faces, and we both use.
No.
What do you use?
This is Ride or Die now.
Oh, the Too Faced Festival.
Yeah. So like shake it up and then.
Alright, and then I use Morphe all the time, so. Alright, and then just spray.
Yeah, it's gonna look like real wet at first, but it dries down.
I think our looks came out beautiful.
Yeah, I think so too.
But however, I wouldn't go that dark on my eyes.
Okay, well I did.
Okay.
So, and I would, and I actually like this. I actually like this, so I'm probably gonna do it for work in my last couple weeks. In my last couple weeks at the hospital,
until you move up to join the high society. I don't fucking know. Okay guys, so that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We will be back to film more videos.
And you know, it felt good to be back, so you will see us again shortly
in the next video. Alright, bye.
Bye.